Society for the Protection of Nature in Israel. Educate, love, protect. The Society for the Protection of Nature in Israel has been educating for the love of the land, protection, and preservation of its landscape and nature for 60 years. SPNI has taken action with the public and for the public in promoting quality of life in Israel in the present and for future generations. Our counselors, teachers, and guides educate each year hundreds of thousands of children and youth for the love and protection of nature and the environment in programs that include hands-on experience, fun, and learning. We function in dozens of centers nationwide. Thousands of participants of all ages take part in the activities and influence the environment near their home. In field schools across the country, from the Hermon in the north to Eyal in the south, a wide range of activities take place. Hikes and excursions, study tours and educational recreation for groups, families, and individuals. SPNI connects Israelis and visitors from all over the world to Israel's natural heritage, its fauna and flora. Our trail committee initiated, mapped, and marked Israel's trails, including the Israel National Trail. Thousands of kilometers of trailblazing throughout Israel's most magnificent landscapes and ecosystems. Our experts operate a national situation room that offers operational and safety and security information in real time to hikers and travelers. All these make Israel's nature accessible to Israelis and visitors alike. As Israel's primary environmental organization, we lead a vision for sustainable use of natural resources, promoting responsibility for future generations. Our experts offer sustainable solutions for development to protect open spaces that still remain. Together, we advocate for a stronger civil society and encourage the involvement of the public in urban planning. We have led many public campaigns for the protection of nature and the environment. Over the years, SPNI has registered many successes. Through 6 decades of wide range of activities, a variety of educational programs, dozens of recreational and educational centers, many successes in protection and preservation of nature and the environment, thousands of employees and professional volunteers, and hundreds of thousands of members. SPNI is the oldest, largest, and leading environmental organization in Israel. Join us. Help us protect nature and preserve natural Israel. Society for the Protection of Nature in Israel. Educate, love, protect.